Hello, my name is Corinne Brown. I work for Shrewsbury Colleges Group and we're a member of the Marches Skills Provider Network. The MSPN website has a course finder tool and it's this that we're going to look at in this demonstration. This tool enables you to search all the further education and higher education courses as well as apprenticeships that are available through your local providers. The following demonstration will show you how to access it and how to use it.
My name is Mike from the lifeapptastic.com and we were commissioned by the Marches Skills Provider Network to develop their course finder tool. If you haven't got a direct link to the tool, then the easiest way to find it is to visit the MSPN website at mspn.co.uk, then click on the course finder link in the navigation menu at the top of the page. So here is the course finder tool. Obviously, like any modern website, it is mobile friendly, but we went to great lengths to make the tool collaborative as well. By collaborative, we mean that several people could be sharing one screen, so anything from a parent with their child on a sofa looking at a tablet together, a careers advisor sharing a PC screen across a desk, all the way up to a teacher projecting this to a classroom on a smartboard. So, if we take it from the top, we have the MSPN logo, which will take you back to the MSPN homepage, and alongside the logo is the navigation menu for the rest of the website. The course finder is like a website within a website, so it has its own home icon to take you back to the start of the course finder tool, a tab to see all the courses that you have saved or bookmarked in a session, and finally the icon to take you through to the help page. Then we come to the heart of the course finder. You can see that we have divided up all the available courses into 16 sectors. These sectors are taken from the 15 routes that are used on the Institute for Apprenticeships website, plus a further sector which is preparation for work. Let's use the example of someone looking for an electrical course. You would first click on the construction sector, and this will open up a new set of boxes within the construction page. To see all the electrical courses, just click on the electrical box. Most of this is straightforward, but I would like to point out a couple of details. Firstly, we have colour coded the boxes, so all the apprenticeships are one colour, full-time courses another colour, and so on. Secondly, there's a tick box to save a course to review at the end of the session. I should probably warn you now that these saved courses will be lost once you have closed the browser. To exit this list of courses, simply click on the X in the top right corner. Next, I would like to point out the filter facility on the left. Here you can filter the courses that you search for, but you must click on the Apply button for your changes to take effect. You can optionally also add a postcode. The course finder will then give you the distance as the crow flies from the course location to this postcode. Before you end your session, you can visit the Saved Courses page to review all the courses that you have bookmarked. Remember that these courses will not be saved once the browser is closed, so if you want to save them, you will need to print them off. That's the end of our quick tour of the course finder tool. We would love your feedback, so please contact the MSPN using the details at the bottom of this page. Thank you very much for watching.